Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google form and merging the Google slide which we have created last section. Go to this Google app, select Drive. Now you can find your folder which you have already created, workshop. Double click that folder, workshop. It goes to the workshop folder. What you do is just click new button and choose more, select Google form and click blank form. Here in the title where you can enter workshop certificate form. Here in the untitled question where you can collect the information for the candidate who are going to fill this form, name, and it's required, choose required option and insert a next tag, email ID, required, choose the required option, next add question. Here you can use college bar university and choose a required option. Okay, and you need any contact number also, you can add a contact number or you just click add contact number, make it as text required. Okay, so after filling this information, that is the name of the candidate and email ID, next college or university and contact number, choose a response here. Now there is no response has been added. Okay, or next choose preview to view this form. Now I am going to fill this form. Name is, for example, my name and my email ID and college name or university name. Just click here. Okay, and contact number and press submit button. Now your response has been submitted in this Google form. Now click this. See here, when you see your response, one response has been created. So this is a way you can create a entry in this Google form. Now what you do is just click this spreadsheet. Okay, there is a plus symbol, green symbol is there. Click this button. It has for create a new sheet. Okay, click create. It open a spreadsheet. See here, it's open a spreadsheet. Okay, so this is a spreadsheet where you can merge that is your Google form to a Google slide. Now we are going to see how to merge it. There is a menu called add-on. Just click this add-on, choose auto, that is AutoCAD is there, launch. So it displays a screen here, AutoCAD. Now choose new job. Now you can ask for the merger job. Now workshop CR. Okay, name of this job. That is the name of we are going to merge the document. Just press this button. So it will ask for you where to select the template. So in the previous section we have created Google slide. Click this from Drive. See here, workshop certificate for file is there. Double click it. Now in the template, you can see the file has been added. Just fetching this template from the Drive. Just wait for a few minutes. See here, now the certificate, the first slide has been added here. Click next button. Now this is one important map source. See here, the name of that slide which we are already created is here. So now I'm going to see the slide. See here, I'm going to my email ID. Just Google my Drive. Okay. Now double click this workshop. Now double click this workshop certificate slide. Now you can find out the name tag. Last class we have section, see the name is there. This is the name which appears in this Go spread. That is here. That is a map source document template. So you can see the template here in the Google slide. this name. Okay, this name has been appeared here. Okay, we want to merge this name to click here and choose the name which we have created in the Google form. Okay, and email ID, whatever the field you want, you can merge it. Just click next button. So it will ask for the file name you to store certificate workshop. So this is a way file setting can be created like this. And we are using a Google slide here. Choose multiple output made. Click next button. Now everything should be stored under the workshop folder. Click next button. Press next button. And then a next button. So you want to share the document? Yes. Okay. So this is a main thing we want to use. Press yes. Here, every document, every certificate has to be saved in PDF file, where we have to choose the share doc as a PDF file. Okay. Now, here, whenever the user enter the email ID, this has to be fetched by using this tag email ID, which we are entered in the Google form. See here, this Google form email ID, this same email ID. Okay, thus we have to give it here, email ID double tag. Okay, so in the subject, we can enter this workshop certificate. In the body of the message, body of the letter also, you can type sir/ma'am. Thank you for your participation from head of the department. Information technology. So thank you for this. You can have a body of the letter like this in this box, and you can, this is a tag. You have to mention the tag email ID. Okay, to fetch the data from the Google form. Next button. Then you have to use yes to trigger this. So it will pop up the screen. You must enable the trigger. Yes. Press yes button. Now the Google form, the data which can be merged to the Google slide. Okay, just press save button to save this auto, that is a settings, merge settings. Now there is a two option is there. If you want to delete, you can delete, or you want to preview the jobs, you can see all the names has been previewed here. You can see the, okay. So this means this is correct. Next, click close button. Okay, after closing it, what you have to do is go to the Google form. Okay, Google form, one response is there. Preview the document. Now I am entering the name, email ID, college name. Okay, press submit button. Now one response has been completed. So it automatically goes to my email ID. Okay, so now you can see that there is a two responses there. When you click this response, and then a spreadsheet, Excel sheet, the Excel sheet opens here. Okay, so which means you can see this. Say document successfully merged mail sent. So which means your document has been sent to the respective mail ID. This mail ID. Okay, so if there is any error here, it gives an error sending like that. Now I want to check whether the certificate has been received from my mail ID. I'm going to yahoo.com. See here, Shishinder workshop certificate. So it came here. And also see the body of the message, Sasla madam, thank you for participation, head of the department, what you have typed in the body of the letter. When you click the certificate, see here, certificate has been downloaded. Just download the certificate. The PDF file has been downloading here. I'm clicking the certificate. So this is a way you can create a slide, Google Slide certificate, okay, by using this AutoCAD in a Google form. So hope you enjoy this video for this creating this Google Slide and a Google form for creation of certificate. Thank you.